Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my last meal prep video, I suggest you go and watch that first and then come back here and I'm going to show you what kind of meals we can make. I'm going to show you 7 meals that you can use for lunches or for dinners. These meals are going to be really easy and it's only going to make 5 or even less minutes to prepare them using our meal prep. Are you ready? So let's go. Okay, so the first meal we are going to make is this lemon tahini crispy salad. This is so simple to make. All you need is some tahini, lemon juice. I have this coconut aminos. I use a little bit for salt and red pepper flakes. And that's my son trying to play. And of course I add a little bit of maple syrup and some water to thin it out. Now just mix it all together and pour it all over your salad. Now what I do, I usually just close the lid and just shake it all together, and you don't need a mixing spoon. And it's ready. So simple, and it takes like less than 5 minutes to make. And it tastes really good. I love tahini based dressings. Okay, meal number 2, we're going to make spicy, cheesy, creamy zoodles. So my zoodles are a little bit too long, so I decided to cut them with scissors, and I'm gonna add some of these carrots. I also have this cashew cream prepped. It's just cashews, nutritional, yeast, and a little bit of salt. So we blend it together. Now we're just gonna mix it up with the salad, and it's basically ready. I decided to drizzle some extra cashew on top, and we're gonna use some nutritional yeast for this cheesy flavor, and I decided to add some sunflower seeds for crunch and a little bit of parsley on top. And yeah, looks pretty and it tastes really good. Okay, meal number 3, we are going to make stuffed romaine boats. Remember those mushrooms that we pre-marinated? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on the romaine leaves. Then I'm gonna use some bell peppers and shredded carrots and some of this parsley as well. Then I'm gonna use my leftover cashew cream here, and I'm gonna repeat with the rest of the romaine leaves. And here we go. Let's dig in, just give it a quick taste test. And of course they really taste good and crunchy and delicious, and they certainly fill you up. Okay, meal number 4. We are going to make a KANI salad. Yes, this is gonna be a raw vegan KANI salad. It really tastes like KANI salad, guys. You gotta try this. So now what I did, I added some sunflower seeds, cashew nuts, and I had some hemp seeds. I also added that, some nutritional yeast, salt, and some water. I blended that, and that's gonna be our sauce. Now we're gonna use this zucchini noodles again. I kind of cut them quickly again. I used some red onions here, I already chopped. Now I'm just gonna cut these tomatoes, add that, and also avocado. Just gonna squeeze it out from its shell. And I'm gonna add leftover of these shredded carrots. Now let's mix it all together with our blended sauce. Add some black pepper on top. Now these are raw vegan Nori sheets. I'm just gonna kind of shred it, well, rip it apart with my hands real quick. And that's it. We're just gonna add it to our bowl. Add some more of this red pepper flakes if you want. And I decided to be a little bit fancier this time, so I used kitchen scissors and I just cut these Nori sheets. And this is what it looks like. So pretty. And it doesn't just look pretty, it really reminds me of KANI salad. For meal number 5, we are going to make mini pepper bites. So I have some basil that I'm going to separate the stems from the leaves. You can save the stems and use them in your smoothies because they are kind of hard to chew. So I prefer to use just basil leaves in salads and recipes like that. So next I'm gonna go ahead and chop some of these tomatoes, and I'm gonna chop some of this celery. I'm gonna try to make it into tiny, well, as tiny as possible pieces. Now I'm gonna take my mini bell peppers and I'm just gonna cut the tops off and take some of the seeds out. I leave some of the seeds in there, it's not a big deal. Now remember those mushrooms? So we're gonna use them and shredded carrots. So now I'm gonna put it all together, the celery, the tomato, the cashew cream. Okay, now I'm just gonna lay all these mini peppers on the plate and we're gonna stuff them. I also decided to add some microgreens on top, and it looks nice and pretty. So let's go ahead and give it a taste test. It's yummy, crunchy, it's got interesting kind of flavors. I really like it. Okay, let's go ahead and make our meal number 6. We're gonna make mushroom alfredo style zoodles. This is the simplest, the quickest, the fastest meal ever. All you need is your zoodles, which is already prepared, and I'm gonna add that leftover cashew cream, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these mushrooms on top. Easy, quick, delicious, and that's it. Meal number 7, we're going to make crunchy peanut salad. So I already had a whole bunch of vegetables pre-chopped, and I'm adding some of these carrots, and I already had this peanut sauce made before in the fridge. Once again, thanks to all my meal preps. So I added that to the salad, and I decided to also add this delicious, so sweet tomatoes. Now we're just gonna mix and add it to our bowl. Add some cilantro on top for some extra flavor. And this is it. This is our quick meal. It's very crunchy, very delicious, and it doesn't take a long time to make. I hope you're gonna try it. So this is it, guys. We got our 7 meals. That only took about 5 minutes per meal to make. It is really fast to make all these meals once you have it meal prepped, and you're gonna be eating healthy throughout the week. So I hope you're gonna try any of these recipes, and if you do, let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I think for me, KANI salad was a really nice surprise. I really hope you're gonna try one of these. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!